Assalamualaikum, I'm Sarish. You are watching Learn English Edu 45 on YouTube channel. So this is my 7th vlog. In previous lesson we discussed about what is direct speech and what is indirect speech, how we recognize these narrations, and what is reported speech and what is reporting speech. And if you have any explanation related to narration, so please watch my previous lesson. So today's topic is change of tenses, how we change tenses when we change direct speech into indirect speech, and how we recognize these tenses. So let's start with, we have to transform tenses according to reported speech, so we must follow these terms and conditions. So let's start with our table. So here is a table and there is a 2 column tenses, and the second one is changes to. So remember this thing, when there is a present tense, whole present tense change into past tense. Okay, let's start with the number 1. Present indefinite change into past indefinite. Present continuous change into past continuous. Present perfect tense change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous. So now come to the past tense. If there is a past indefinite tense, we must change into past perfect. Past continuous change into past perfect continuous. And remember this thing, when there is a past perfect, there is no change, and when there is a past perfect continuous, no change. Past perfect and past perfect continuous will not change when you change direct speech into indirect speech. Now come to future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense, when there is will change into would. Remember, in future indefinite. Okay, now second one, future continuous. Future continuous will be changed into would be, and future perfect change will have into would have. So it's very easy and very simple. I hope you understand this whole chart. If you have any query related to this chart, please text below my video. So let's start with our present tense, and present tense is very easy, very simple. I hope after this you can easily understand that how you change these tenses, this present tense change into past tense, and how we change direct speech into indirect speech. So let's start. Present indefinite change into past indefinite. So it's very easy, very simple. So there are few examples. Andrew said, number 1, Andrew said, comma, quotation mark, I go to parties, quotation mark, close. It's very easy, very simple. So we did it in the previous lesson, that how we do this, except these tenses, because tenses, today's the topic is tenses, change of tenses. So Andrew said, omission of comma, use the conjunction word that. So as I told you in the previous lesson so many times, that I is a first person. So first person is changed according to a subject, and subject is Andrew. So here it is, we write here Andrew is a male. So for male we write here he, and go is a right second form of go. So as it is present indefinite change into past indefinite, so go change into went to parties. It's very easy, very simple. I hope you understand this. Now come to the second one. The second one is Ali said, comma, quotation mark, he likes computer games, quotation mark, close. Very simple, very easy. Ali said, omission of comma, use the conjunction word that. And same as it is, third person will not change. We write here he as it is. So indefinite, so we change it past indefinite, liked computer games, same as it is. Now come to the second one. I hope you understand this. Present indefinite change into past indefinite. Now let's start. Present continuous tense changes into past continuous tense. Here are the few examples. Examples are very easy and very simple. So number 1 is, they said, comma, quotation mark, we are enjoying the weather, quotation mark, close. Wow, they are enjoying the weather. Nice sentence, I like this. Okay, now come to the answer. They said, omission of comma, use the conjunction word that, and we is a first person. So first person change according to a subject, and subject is they. So that's why we write here they. and are enjoying change into were enjoying. The weather change according to present continuous change into past continuous. It's very easy, very simple. So now come to the second one. Jessica said, comma, quotation mark, I'm working, quotation mark close. Very easy. Jessica said, omission of comma, use the conjunction word that, and I is a first person. So first person is changed according to a subject, and subject is Jessica, and Jessica is a girl. So for girl we use she. So that's why we write here she am working change into was working, because present continuous change into past continuous. Now come to the second one. Present perfect change into past perfect. These examples are very easy and very simple. I hope after this you can easily understand that how you change this. Okay, now number one, I said comma, quotation mark, I have eaten my meal, quotation mark close. Same as it is, I said, omission of comma, use the conjunction word that, and same as it is I, we write here I is a first person, so here it is a subject is also I, so we write here I, and change this present perfect change into past perfect. Had eaten my meal, same as it is. Very easy, very simple. Now come to the second one. She said comma, quotation mark, we have gone to Lahore last week, quotation mark close. So same as it is, what we do, we write here she said, omission of comma, use the conjunction word that, and we is a first person, so first person is changed according to a subject. So here is a subject is she, and she belongs to a number of people, so that's why we write here they had, and present perfect change into past perfect. So they had gone to Lahore last week change into previous week. Same as it is. Please watch my previous lesson, then you can easily understand that how we changed last week into previous week. So now comes the second one. This is the last one. Present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous. So let's start with the examples. He said comma, quotation mark, it has been raining for 2 days, quotation mark close. Very easy, very simple. Same as it is, we write here he said, omission of comma, use the conjunction word that, and it, same as it is, we write here it, because it is a third person and third person is not changed. So same as it is it, and has been raining change according to past perfect continuous. Had been raining for 2 days. Simple, very easy. Now come to the last sentence. I said comma, quotation mark, we have been working on assignment since 3 o'clock, quotation mark close. So same as it is, I said, omission of comma, use the conjunction word that, and we is a first person, so first person here is also a first person, so we write here same as it is we, so we not change it. Okay, have been working change into had been working according to past perfect continuous on assignment since 3 o'clock. So it's very simple, very easy. Hope you understand this whole lesson. If you have any query, please text below my video and subscribe my channel and support me. Khuda Hafiz, God bless you, stay home.